Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. This video is part of a 1971 Cuda build, and we're going to be showcasing a product called Raptor liner that we use here in the shop. Now this is a sprayable two-part catalyzed liner system, and we apply it with a Schutz type gun. And this stuff works really well as an encapsulator, a sound deadener, and it can be applied in single or multiple coats for build. And it comes standard in black, or it can be color keyed to the vehicle color. Now sometimes this isn't an exact color match, but it's really close. And it can be sprayed relatively flat, or we can texture it. I like to apply it on the undercarriage, interior floor, wheel wells, lower rockers, and trunk. And hey, if you like the video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. And then check out our other videos on our content page. Leave a comment and tell us what you think. You're important to us. And as always, hey, thank you for watching.